Hello and welcome everybody to yet another video on STD Refresher presented by your mentor Vivek. In the last lesson we saw the pain, traditional CSS that selects DOM tags directly and needs those heavy context selectors. Here's the bigger problem those selectors cause: style bleed. You style a card on the public site, and suddenly your dashboard rows look weird. In this lesson, we draw a clean line, component boundaries, the BEM way. The fix is simple in hindsight. Every selector becomes a direct hit on a classed element. No more prefixing. Context versus key selector. Quick definitions before the fix. In a selector like .cards and .card h3. The first part, .cards, .card, is the context selector. It's a prefix that narrows down where we are styling. The deeper the nesting, the longer it grows. The last part, h3, is the key selector. That's where the styles actually land. BEM says, make the key selector the whole thing and drop the context prefix. The three rules. BEM proposes three rules, and they are what draw the boundary between components. Rule 1. Don't rely on bare tag names. Don't style the h3 globally. That's what causes bleed into your dashboard. Rule 2. Don't use tags to select. Rule 3. Every selector should be a direct key selector on the classed element. Shorter, cleaner, way more maintainable. BEM HTML structure. Here's the BEM HTML structure. We keep semantic tags, section, article, h3, p, a, p for para, a for anchor, but every element gets a class. Section stays cards, the block wrapper. Then each card is an article class cards card. Note, the element name uses the immediate container's block name. The card lives inside cards, so it's prefixed as cards underscore. Inside the card, the h3 becomes card title, card underscore title. The paragraph becomes card underscore content. The link becomes card underscore link. Now the block name shifts to card because that's the immediate container. Sub-elements keep the main block name. So a read more span is card underscore read more. And a modifier. Just add the double hyphen, car underscore link hyphen red. Hyphen, a red variant of the link. Now the CSS, we replace the dot cards and dot card chains with single key selectors. Dot cards underscore card, dot card underscore title, dot card underscore content, dot card underscore link, each one a direct hit. No prefix, no bleed. The modifier CSS layers on top of the base class. Dot card underscore link hyphen red just overrides the color. If something looks off, right click, inspect, and the DevTools show you exactly which class is doing what. Same component, way cleaner boundary. Public cards and dashboard rows never bleed into each other again. Up next, CSS variables. Theme workshop without rewriting everything. So see you in the next chapter. Until then, peace out.